The sperms are formed within the seminiferous tubules, which are coiled tubules within the testis. The term seminiferous is an adjective that means producing or bearing seed or semen. It is derived from the Latin semen, which means semen or seed, and the English suffix iferous, which means having or containing a specified thing. In the skin, sudoriferous glands are the sweat glands, and sudor means sweat, lactiferous, producing milk, which is lact in Latin.
The testis is related to this structure, which is called the epididymis. The epididymis has a head, body, and tail, and the tail of the epididymis continues upwards as the vas or the ductus deferens. The testis itself looks whitish in color because it has a very thick layer of fibrous tissue called the tunica albuginea, means whitish. Inside of the testis, there are fibrous cords that separate it into lobules, and in each of these lobules, there are these seminiferous tubules. They look like threads, very small threads. These are the seminiferous tubules into which the sperms will form and develop.